They've been in use since the late 1800s. They've been changed greatly over many years. They've changed the way in which wars fought forever. These are not only used on land, but also in the air, sea, and on vehicles. Now, evolution of machine guns on Modern Marvels.
The Gatling gun was invented in 1862 during the Civil War. It was used in the Spanish-American War. It was later redesigned and used in World War I by the United States. Newer models of the Gatling gun are still in use today. The Gatling gun had a range of 1,200 yards. It weighed 60 pounds and was 42.5 inches long. It shot 350 rounds per minute and had a .58 caliber bullet. The Gatling gun killed many people quickly. During the time of World War I, it was the best gun to use. The Gatling gun is considered to be the first machine gun and the stepping stone to more advanced machine guns. The Browning gun was invented by John Moses Browning. It was used by the United States in World War I. Other wars it was used in were World War II, the Korean War, and the war in Vietnam. It was upgraded to the M1917A1 in 1936 for changes. The Browning gun had a .30 caliber bullet. It weighed 103 pounds and was 980 millimeters long. It shot between 450 and 600 rounds per minute.
The Thompson submachine gun was invented by John T. Thompson. It was made in 1919. It was used in World War II in 1938. It was also used in the Korean and Vietnam War. It was in service from 1938 to 1971. The Thompson submachine gun has a caliber bullet of .45. It weighs about 10.8 pounds. Its length is 33.5 inches. It fires about between 600 and 1,500 rounds per minute, and its range is 50 meters. The MP-40 submachine gun was a World War II German gun. It was a modified change to the MP-38. The designer was Heinrich Vollmer, and it was made in 1938. It was in service from 1939 to present. The MP-40 submachine gun has a caliber bullet of 9 millimeters. It weighs about 8.82 pounds, and its length is 32.8 inches. Its range is between 70 and 100 meters, and it fires about 500 rounds per minute.
The MG42 is a belt-fed machine gun. The caliber bullet it fires is 7.992 by 57 millimeter bullet. It weighs 25.51 pounds. The length is 44 inches. It shoots up to 1,200 rounds per minute, and the effective range on it is 1,000 meters. The MG42 belt-fed machine gun was in service from 1942 to 1968. It was designed and manufactured by Mauser Work AG. It was used in World War II and the Portuguese Colonial War.
The M3 Browning machine gun, also known as the Browning 50 cal machine gun, designed towards the end of World War I by John Browning, also the inventor. Manufactured in the U.S. by General Dynamics and U.S. Ordnance. This is the longest active machine gun, ranging from 1933 to present day. Wars it was used in was World War II, Korean War, Vietnam, the Gulf War, Somalia Civil War, Afghanistan, and also Iraq.
The M2 Browning machine gun has a 50 caliber bullet, range of 4.5 miles, rounds per minute is 555. The weight is 83.78 pounds. The length is 65.2 inches, and it's a belt-fed SMG.
The Dillon Arrow M134D minigun, designed in 1960. This was the evolved form version of the Gatling gun. The original was made by Richard J. Gatling. In service from 1963 to present day. The minigun was produced in 1962. The wars it was used in was Vietnam, Afghanistan, and Iraq.
The minigun has a 7.62 millimeter NATO round bullet. Rounds per minute, 3,000 plus. which is equal to 50 rounds per second. The range is 1,200 yards. It is a belt-fed light machine gun. The weight is 85 pounds. Length 801.6 millimeters.